Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to find your recorded video when you've done Zoom meeting. So actually, if you are recording your Zoom meeting, you should after you end the meeting, you should be your computer will be open the location of folder of the video. But if you close that one and then you are looking for that folder, what you can do, you can, if you are Windows user, you can click this documents and then find Zoom. This is default path of Zoom meeting video recording. So after that, you can see this is all the Zoom video recorded that I've done in the past, and then this is for today, and then this is the file only 3, including the MP4 and then the M4A. I don't know what is M4A, and so on. So it's very easy. Documents, Zoom, and then find the date you record that meeting. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If visit, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.